Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we are going to design a IR alarm. So the components that we are going to use here are 3 1K resistors, one 10 ohm resistor, one 2.2K resistor, one polarized 1 mF capacitor, one ceramic 100 nanofarad capacitor, a IR LED, a LED for our output, a photodiode, a BC547 transistor, a 555 timer IC, a battery, a speaker, and of course a breadboard. Now let's see how to design a circuit. Here is a circuit for our IR alarm. Our IR alarm consists of a transmitter circuit and a receiver circuit. The main components in a transmitter circuit are the 555 timer IC and the IR LED. In the receiver side, the main components of a receiver circuit are the photodiode and the BC547 transistor. We are using a 555 timer in the transmitter because we need to generate pulses with a certain frequency. These pulses are received by the IR LED in the high state. When these pulses are received by the IR LED, the IR LED starts to produce the IR waves in the surroundings. These IR waves are received by the photodiode. The property of photodiode is that as the IR waves are received by the photodiode, the resistance of the photodiode decreases. As the resistance of the photodiode decreases, current is allowed to pass through photodiode in this direction. As the base current is given to the transistor changes its state to on. When the transistor is in the on state, current is passed through the collector and the emitter, and there is no flow of current through the LED and the buzzer. So there is no beep in the buzzer. Now what happens is, when there is an obstacle in between the IR LED and the photodiode, the waves are not transmitted to the surroundings of the photodiode. As there are no waves, the resistance of the photodiode increases and there is no base current in the transistor. As the transistor becomes off, the current does not flow to the collector and the emitter. Current starts flowing through the LED and the buzzer. When the current starts flowing through the buzzer starts to beep. This is how our circuit works, and now let's start building a circuit. Once we are ready with the components, let's start building a circuit by placing the IC first on the breadboard. Now after finishing the connections of the components on the breadboard, give the power to the breadboard by applying 5 volts on the upper rail of the breadboard and ground to the lower rail of the breadboard. Now let's check that whether a circuit is working or not. As I told you that when there's an obstacle between the IR LED and the photodiode, there are no waves in the surroundings. So the LED starts to blink and the buzzer starts to beep. Hope you enjoyed the video and learn how to design a IR alarm. If you like our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.